Dear God, as we are going out today, please protect us, please guide us in the right way we must go. Cover us and their blood in the name of Jesus. Amen. One. I not lie, we not go cuss. A long time now we don't do no vlog. And the reason why we never did a vlog. Up and down for a morning, people. I sort out some things, you know. You look tired and we need to start out what we are starting to appreciate. But me there still check in with me meanwhile because we spend more 2 hours on my vlog to get to kick off the right way. But you don't know, we have the content for now. Yeah, so we're finally out on the road. Pretty girls allowed. Pretty girls allowed. So I know we're going to look some food right now, you see me? Best thing and best way to start off the day, right? I got to talk with you. Hey, sit down. Basically, people, I'm finding a new place to eat, yo. Like one of the nicest places in a Clarendon, Maypen. You see me? And I was invited by the boss to the place to come pre the place too. You see me? I'm glad to know I find one place like official. You see me? So you know what I say when I go see me, I say eat after. I make her go back inside because I have something I want to do with Angel, I want to talk to her about, you see me? So when I know say, when I did a Razablade TV, I don't know someone on the tour guide, so I want to come with them. Hungry? Don't get food, yeah? I don't know, nothing always hurt me set away, but still, everything. Hey. So I'm hungry now for you. I know I'm hungry by now. Over there, I sort out a little quick thing, you see me? So there we pass some food. And if I never say it, I don't want to skip me in a while. You see, you don't know somebody live for that. So, I'm just there wait to get some food, you know. I'm assuming the people tell them about how the food shell down here, so I'm assuming get we can tell them too. Alright, people.
Yeah, man.
I am on the show now. Film channel right now. Give it to them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So basically, we are like the first lunch express delivery restaurant in Maypen. You know, we come with something different, something fresh. We are trying to, you know, take over a place. You know what I mean?
Trade.
So basically, it's a lunch express. We cater to most of the business places like the hospitals, business people who very busy and don't have the time to, like, you know, take up your phone and make a call all the time. We call them, or maybe them call and make them order and the food comes straight to you. So
give them a location.
Alright, well, location at 60.5 Manchester Avenue. They're right next to Nutramix. It's like 6 blocks from Stewart's Hardware going down to the hospital, Maypen Hospital. Yeah, man.
So,
Great, man.
you can give you like a little idea of the food we have possible. Because me know what I want already, because I tell you what I want already about.
Yeah.
Tell them what we have at the place, man, to eat.
Well, like for like today?
Like, not really today, but in general.
Well, in general, we have chicken fingers, you know, that are chicken breasts, you know, deep fried and stuff. We have vegetarian stews.
So vegetarian, we have no.
Yeah, man. Vegetarian people, man, we have a variety of food. We have zucchini stir fry, we have pumpkin turnaround, we have coconut, veggie coconut sauce, a variety of things. And
somebody tell me someone have the menu online as well.
Yes, man, like we do a digital menu where we send out on the WhatsApp. So anybody we have in the number, we send it out on a blast and you get to see today's menu. Because basically,
we do it by day.
Yeah, man, we may not stay the same every day, change every day, something different.
You hear that? So basically, you have to make some menu in a stable. We cook a wide variety of food, so we have on Sundays.
Oh, that's not yet. No, we only cater to weekdays.
Oh, weekdays?
We have one lunch express.
Okay.
Yeah,
so you have to me say you have, if you feel like a soup that Wednesday, if you don't have that, so when you dip on Facebook and all them stuff there, yes?
Man, the page, like a page.
Yeah.
Ricky D's Pizza and Grill.
We're going to make all of that pop up on the screen, you know. And I'm making text me, I can write up all I want to need for knowing the people.
Yeah.
I'm about to have my food at home, but I love to make it talk a little bit longer. I don't know if you have more to say still, but me hungry. So if you have nothing more to say?
Yeah, man, check your billboard, man. Herbal Kitchen, that's it.
Alright, Herbal Kitchen. I don't show that part. And people, I do a skit with Andra. And all of the inclusive parts, we still are going to show in the live vlog. The inclusive parts are showing at the skit as well. You see me, so I just want to check out the thing. Check out the thing. I'm hungry now. I talk foolish and I buckle me attack. Hungry. Now look how my fork knife misplaced because I actually start move it up based on how the skit go. But see, you enjoy food there.
Thank you. You are welcome, my dear.
Right now, to your food look nice. You have to just stick with yours too, you know. So she get yellow rice now, people. So if you get yellow rice, it's here fast. It's a beautiful waiter here. You know? Yeah. You know, we have a beetroot and the milk, you know what I mean? Too, you know? And Angel, I'm gonna have to ask, she wait for her slush. She love that thing so much. Should I lift me feet? It on kernel. Alright. See it?
Thank you.
Quality service we have to learn about, you know, people. Oh, shoot, me no move my tripod. I don't know. Sorry about that.
Thank you so much.
Alright, hold on. Fruit punch charge?
Tastes good. Best one you ever get, honestly.
You can taste it?
Yeah, no.
Tastes good for true. But me need some beetroot in my life, you know? So, me not grudge you. Thanks. So people, you know I'll cut that camera because I need to eat right now.
Sweet love.
Great.
Trust me, it's not a good day without photos.
Come down, come down a little bit out of the sun.
Out of the sun?
Yeah.
Alright.
Good.
Alright.
You get alright?
Nice shot. Yeah?
Yeah. What is chef now? I do not know the name.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Get
You
it?
want the nice?
Yeah.
Alright. We could hold a smile a bit longer. God know my face freeze up.
Thank you, man.
Alright. Oh wait, I want my fans them this, you know, one of my fans them this. My name is General.
Roaster.
Big up yourself, you see me?
You're doing selfie now?
Oh, no, yourself, this is for my vlog, you see? So, big up yourself.
Man, big up, man.
Yeah, man. Hey, vlogger, trust me, the food was late. Food was late.
Me.
So right now, we're going to go back up in the town and now come on reach over my mom's house. Yeah, question vlogger. But I say something to Ian this morning. Me I say girls don't put on lipstick for their boyfriend and she starts saying, huh? But me know what I mean, like, if you live with a boyfriend, why you gonna put on lipstick? You're not gonna put on when you're in the house. But when you go on the road, you put on lipstick. So that means you don't put on it for your boyfriend. You put on it for other man see you. But me no frowns and I let me frowns for other people, but just did I make a little point with her. Cause from time to time I always teach her them little story there. I really think, alright, if you wear lipstick for me see you, you don't wear it at the house.
Babe, how you don't feel if you know say your girlfriend go out and when you look on her lip, it crack up and dry up?
No, me not mind it, but just I say to you say, we don't wear it, not for me in the house.
We wear it because we want to look good. We don't wear it for you,
Yeah,
our boyfriend,
alright.
or other males.
I'm going to leave Angel at her original house. Which was the original house, by the way? Can we live together?
We're going to visit our parents, right?
This doesn't know I hear this. But anyway, I probably for everybody because I want to play ball, but to his sound, it sound like say which part I want to play ball and not play ball. But not wrong still. Can I go talk to my mom or talk to some people or if me have the time I can do a next skit too. So basically we don't want to carry already for cut, you see me? Yeah. But you want to be trained, man. For that girl, I reach back in. Well, I reach in my yard. I need to stay in my yard 10 minutes. Just link up with Jenna.
Young boss. Got new set again, yeah, man.
Yeah. Come back.
You figure against nobody today.
Really? And a man's scheme look nice, youth. Funny weather. Breakfast ready! Yeah, dude.
Breakfast ready, daddy.
Ready, breakfast ready. You do. What me there walk at this side one decent spot for a video in idea. You see me? Alright, we there.
You don't need one bad car in there?
Not yet. Anytime ready for your bad car, we gonna link you. You don't know me, I forget my girls in on the flag, you see it? Yeah! Vlog girl right now, me I'm going to edit that vlog. I'm going to edit that vlog on phone.
Get this in there. Where Rocky go?
I'm going to edit that vlog on phone and I'm going to see it. Yeah, man. So we chat.
Send me your location, let's focus on communication, 'cause I just